back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your laptops and your PCs out there. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's ThinkPad E470 out here. Yes, talking about this variant, we can say that this was quite a good variant out here, a different version. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say it works very well with Windows and that too with 64 bytes operational windows out there. So this is very good variant out back when it was released out. As well as when we talk about this variant, then it has got the embedded security of trusted platform model as TPM2 out there. Yes, this is not 1.2, this is TPM2 out there. That is for the security chip systems out there, offering you a great operating system and Intel processing system. Yes, if we talk about the Intel processing system, if we talk about the processor it is being used in this variant, it is Intel Core i5. Yes, Intel Core i5 is being used out along with the speed of 2.5 gigahertz. Talking about this 2.5 gigahertz, you can say that this has a very good max turbo speed. What is this max turbo speed all about? This has got a max turbo speed of 3.1 gigahertz, offering you a dual core processor out there. So overall, if you talk about this variant, this has got really a good and amazing version out there. Along with that, you get to have 3 MB cache memory along with integrated memory control. This variant does not offers you that hyper threading technology, or it does not offers you the hyper inbuilt store out there. It does not offers you these kind of specifications, but definitely it offers you integrated memory along with cache memory of 3 MB. Talking about this MB stored out here, cache memory, we can also talk about the RAM memory out here. Talking about the RAM, then it has got a RAM inbuilt memory of 8 GB. 8 GB inbuilt RAM is seen along with a type of DDR4. Yes, this time not DDR3, DDR3L. This is not seen in this variant. This is DDR4 out there in this version. Talking about this variant, talking about this version that is E470 out here, we can say that this variant offers you a speed of 2400 megahertz out there along with PC4 19200 out there. Along with that, if you talk about the memory maximum support it can have, like what is the expandable or the maximum support memory it will be offering you, it is 32 GB, 32 GB stored, or you can say a support system given out by none other than the RAM quality in E470 out here. So this is offering you very amazing expandable support system in the RAM quality. It has got two dedicated slots. One is for the expandable and one is dedicated for the, you can say, internal stored RAM out there. Along with that, if you talk about the screen size of this variant, then it offers you a good screen size of 35.5 centimeters. Along with that, it offers you a LED backlift display. Yes, 35.5 centimeter is the screen size along with backlift or backlight display. You can talk about LED backlight display. You get to have a HD resolution that is 1366 into 769 HD resolution along with a monitor feature of anti-glance. You get to have anti-glance monitor featuring along with these kind of specifications. So if you talk about the display, if you talk about the display type, then you can say that it has an offering of HD LED backlight anti-glance display along with 3.5 centimeter, you can say 3.5 centimeter screen size or the diagonal size out there. Talking about this variant, you can we cannot forget about the audio or the video output we get in this variant, because audio and video is something which we all adore every gadget for. Talking about the audio and video output, it offers you Intel HD Graphics 620 out here. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 620 is being offered out here along with integrated webcam. Yes, it offers you integrated webcam, which is for the web camera. No secondary camera is seen out, only the webcam is seen. Along with that, you get to have stereo type speakers and dual array microphones. Yes, if we talk about the dual array microphones or we talk about the microphones, either it is dual or single or stereo type, then it has got a dual array microphones out there. These are the specifications which we see along with the hard drive storage. Talking about the hard drive, talking about the hard drive storage, then you get to have a great hard drive storage of SSD. Yes, offering you SSD type storage of 256 GB. It offers you 256 GB SSD storage out there, along with encryptions of drive featuring. Yes, it has got an encryption also. Apart from these things, you get to see that the keyboard has got a multi-touch pad out here for mouse controlling, volume control, scroll down. These kind of specifications could be seen out in that variant. Along with that, you get to see that it has got a good Wi-Fi connectivity, and you will not find any kind of disturbance while working. So it has got a good Wi-Fi connectivity as well as no optical connectivity could be seen out. Whereas you will find 45 volts charging, which offers you approximately 8 to 8.5 hours work timing. Yes, this is the timing offered by this variant, run time or the work time you can say. Apart from that, it offers you card slotations for memory card, SD cards out there, USB drives out there. These kind of things could be done with this variant. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing of this variant. Talking about the price of this variant, we can say that it offers you a great price at this side, which is just at click.com. Yes, offering a great pricing at just at click.com, we can say that it offers you great pricing out here. Along with that, if you talk about this site, it offers you great pricing not just for one brand but n number of brands out here. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets under a very limited range, you can say. Yes, very limited range out here. So this is the result of our search, and when we look at the results, we can see that there is a small informative box out here offering you all the specifications, as well as it offers you a bag free along with a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished and what those refurbished gadgets are all about. Talking about refurbished products and refurbished gadgets, we can say that refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets are absolutely same. Yes, they are absolutely same, or we can say they are similar like structures out there. Refurbished word means creating something newly like, creating something which is new like. This is what refurbished means. And now when we talk about refurbished gadgets, then we can say that refurbished is nothing else but extension to brand new, or you can say a brand new revised version. This can be considered as a refurbished. Talking about this refurbished gadget, let us talk about the pathway it includes, because structurally they are same, functionally they are same, and even the tests are absolutely same for these gadgets. Talking about these variants, then we can see that refurbished and brand new follows almost the same pathway, and that is base, mediator, and consumer. This is the pathway followed out. Talking about this variant, we can say that the base, mediator, and consumer in brand new and refurbished are actually extensions. Brand news pathway includes nothing else but company is the base out here. Yes, base is the company which releases out the brand new gadget in the market. Then comes the marketplace or the mediator out here. Yes, that is the mediator or the marketplace. Then comes the consumer or the user out here. Yes, you get to have a consumer or the user out there. That is the base out there. This is what happens in the brand new products. Company releases a gadget in the market, then the user buys it. Now this user who has this gadget is the owner of that gadget, is now the base for our refurbished gadgets. रिफर्बिश गैजेट्स की बात करें तो जो यूजर हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का कंज्यूमर था वो यहाँ पर आके कंज्यूमर से बेस बन जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस आउट हियर. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that the base out here, that pre-owned gadget out here, is the base which has to be resold or is being resold again and again. So we can say that this is what happens in refurbished products. Talking about this variant, talking about refurbished gadgets, we can say that refurbished products or the refurbished gadgets out here offer to the same specifications, same functionality. But the difference lies out that brand new is absolutely untouched and refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now this marketplace, which is in the refurbished category, are the sites which does the testings out there. Yes, this is also a major difference out here. Brand new products before release in the market have to be tested, has to be testified. They have to be verified whether all the functions are working properly or not. But the marketplace, the user which wants is being the gadget which is being resold is tested in that marketplace itself, on the online sites, offline sites, anywhere you can say, before it is brought on the site to resell. Yes, before reselling, it has to be tested. Now, once it is testified, then it comes to the users again. The new user have this gadget. This is what happens in the whole pathway. Talking about the tests, we can say the structural testing and the functional testings are different. But overall, it has to be same, exactly the same like it was when it was released out before release. Talking about the testing, we can say there are two factors including the testing, that are the internal and the external factors. Talking about the external factors includes the outer test, or the test which do not require very highly specified gadgets or the equipments. Talking about the gadgets and equipments, we can say these tests include the design, camera, keyboards, these kind of specifications, like how is the display, whether it is of the appropriate size or not, whether the screen has any kind of scratches or not, whether the back screen has scratches or not, whether the keyboard keys are placed properly or not, whether they are disbalanced or not, they're working properly or not, the functional keys are working or not, if it has a multi-touch port or the multi-touch pad out there, then it is working properly or not, the mouse control is working or not, the jacks out there which have for the audio input output jack, USB connectors, SD drives out there, if it has DVD writers out there, the power jack, these has to be tested and verified. After checking all the external factors like the camera out there, the audio input output out there, the quality out there, everything has to be verified. Once that is checked out, then it is classified or said as a good factor for the external test. It is given one certification for the external testing. Then it comes to the internal factors. Now, these internal factors include nothing else but the internal components, like you can say the processing system out there, the CPU, GPU out there, the chip system, the internal elements which have a very specified testing. They are said to be in the internal components. It can be the connectivity, microphones, or the internal storage, RAM quality, the typing it has, the cache memory it has, data wiping if it includes, the internal graphical processor out there. Every part has to be checked. Now, when they are checked, it means that every single test has to be passed before bringing out on the site. If it fails in any test or there is any damage in the part, then it has to be replaced with an original part. Yes, not with the unknown part or the fake part, but the original part. So once it has been tested, verified, it is absolutely categorized as refurbished, or it is certified that it is absolutely ready to use. It is categorized as refurbished product or the certified refurbished product. Any of them could be considered. They both are actually same. So this is what is a refurbished product. We can say they are quite good and they are actually same like the original one or the brand new like. They are good in quality, good in service, good in productivity, everything is done. Along with that, if you talk about the benefits of having refurbished product, number one would be the pocket friendly rates. You get to have pocketable rates or pocket friendly rates, because brand new products are usually expensive out there. Yes, you find that these products or the brand new products are slightly expensive and more for the pockets. So you get to have pocketable rates for refurbished products. Since they are pocketable and brand new products are slightly expensive, you get to save a good amount of savings. Yes, you get to have a great savings out here. Now, when you can save about a great saving, then you can invest in another things out there, in another gadget also. Since brand new products offers you 1 year warranty period, and we know that pre-owned gadgets usually don't have a warranty period, but if you have a category that is refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the additional benefits given to the refurbished products. This is what happens to refurbished gadgets out there. Talking about this refurbished gadgets, we can talk about the site as well, which we were talking about. That is justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. So let us talk about this site also. Talking about this site, we can say that this site offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets out there in your pocket friendly rate. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you COD along with a free shipping. Yes, COD, that is all over UAE, as well as hassle free shopping is there. Along with free shipping. Free shipping in Pakistan, it takes approximately 48 hours shipping timing in most parts of UAE, and for Saudi it might take up to a week. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then you can say that it offers a 7 exchange policy, that is money back guarantee and online support system. Apart from that, you get to see this search icon where we were searching our favorite gadgets out here. You can also check out the description for the website link and the helpline number out here. Best pricing are offered at this site, so do visit out the website for best pricing. Till then, take care.